This is a quick video to show how to change the drive letter in Windows 11. I want to change my storage drive from the letter D to S, so I will go down and right-click on the Windows Start icon, and then go up to click on Disk Management. And then I will just wait for that window to open, and go down to my drive name storage with the letter D assigned and right-click. Then click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now I go up to click on the Change button and go over to the drop-down list with all the available letters and select S. I'll click OK, then Yes, and it will change the drive letter from D to S, which might take a while depending on the drive and how many dependencies you have. But you can see that now the drive letter is set to S how I want it. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.